Okay, Zingers, here we are at the end of the Big Beats rules of trading. And so this is the last two rules that I have for you and my favorite saying. So here we go. The first rule is don't chase. And the second rule is don't be afraid to sell your losers. All right, the hardest rule in trading is don't chase, especially when we are going after those stocks, those markets that are moving fast and we're trying to get in with that herd mentality. Now that's an even hard one even for me, and so I tell a lot of people, hey look, just, I get it, you want to be in, it's okay, you can get in, but we don't chase. There's a difference. If you want to get in, a lot of people try to pinpoint the number they want to get in at. No, don't. If you want to be in the market, get in. There's market orders, buy. But don't chase. In other words, if you see it jump 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, make a move, have a thesis, get in and get out. But don't chase. If you keep chasing and chasing and trying to catch the tail of that dragon, you're probably going to get bit. The thing is that when chasing, you sometimes get caught up in the market, and sometimes the emotion does kick in and you end up buying more than you're willing to buy, or you should, or shorting. And you're also probably going to be, I don't know when to get out. And that's the other rule we don't want to break. So when rules start to hit each other, then that's a real problem. So don't chase. All right, the next one is don't be afraid to sell your losers. I know that they have what we call the dogs. Get rid of those dogs. And I'm a dog person, so I tell you, get rid of dogs. Get rid of them because they're going to drag on your portfolio and they're going to hurt you personally in your mentality of trading. So if you see something that's just lagging there and there's no reason to get in or out, and there's no news surrounding it, no news coming up, your thesis is broken, just sell it. Get out of that position. Don't look back. A lot of times, I've heard of stocks coming back later, and I go, oh, I used to trade that. Oh, I lost a lot of money on that one. That's okay. That was a long time ago, and that's all right with that because there's always a market somewhere. Now, this is my favorite saying in the market, and it's probably one that keeps me grounded. And I always say, if the market doesn't humble you, then you ain't playing it. Very simple. There is only one way to make money in the market, and that is to be in the market. You can paper trade all you want. It just doesn't help you or doesn't hurt you at all. But it really doesn't help you because you're not really learning. There is a difference, a huge difference of putting your money, your capital into the market, your hard-earned money into the market, than just sitting around and doing nothing with it. All right. And then to say you ain't playing it is exactly right. You must keep going. If you're dejected by a certain trade, you made a mistake, so what? Go on. Keep going. Keep going. The minute you're stopped is the minute you're out of the game. And we don't want to be out of the game. We have to learn. And as the learning curve grows, so will your trading. You'll start to see, and I've heard this a few times even this week, hey Steve, look, your rules have been helping me, and I've stopped doing some of the bad things, and now I'm on track to go up. That's what the whole point of this, the Big Beats rule of trading was. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you out there in the chat room, and we have some big things in store for Benzinga Pro. So see you out there, and until next time, this is Big Beat.